What's up, guys? It's your boy 3D, baby. Before I even get into the video, watch the whole video all the way through. This is 5 things you need to know in Logic Pro when you're first getting started for beginners. And it's a 5 video short series, so we're gonna hop right into it, okay? So here we are in Logic Pro X, and this is the program. Now, what we're gonna be talking about today is this top bar up here, this whole space here. So you just follow along with my mouse. I'm gonna go through it really quick. So if you press this, this is where you get all your sounds that come natively in Logic. You press this, this is gonna bring up this informational track that we're gonna talk more about in another video. And that's gonna be our 4th video. This is a quick help button. So you see as we go across here, it'll just kind of light up right here and tell you what's kind of going on there so you can get a general idea of how to use that tool. And these are some extra annotation tools that you can use to edit and select things with here. So I'm gonna pull this back up. If you press this here, this is gonna bring you to your FX control channel. So that's gonna give you like some mixer knobs and stuff like that. And then if you press here, you're gonna have your actual mix board. So if you think of an actual big studio, this would be like the big mix board that you see in most of your huge studios, okay? And so moving along, this fast forward simple. If you watch this playhead here, this is called the playhead, this marker here. That's what I'm referencing. It's just gonna push it forward, back it up, standard stuff, you know, just like watching a VCR, TV, or iPad, whatever generation you're from, you'll get it. Okay. Up here, you have a time sequence. So what I mean by that, I'm gonna move this out the way. We have a time sequence, so we can track how long that this session or recording's been going. And then more so than that, you see how it's moving right there. We can add and customize this toolbar. So you just right click, customize toolbar, and things you should add, like if you're recording, is auto punch. That'll let you punch in so you can select the section and do things like that. Software punch in locator, software monitoring, auto input. So that's like if I'm talking, you can hear me talking while you're recording. It's a good feature. You can play around with things like that. You see how you add them up. So then right here, this you just click these on and off, and if you want to know which is which, you can just press the question, and it'll give you a quick help guide right here. You need to, it'll tell you what each one is kind of doing and how to even shortcut to it. But we're going to do a video on shortcuts too, so don't worry. This is your file folder or your task folder. This here is a notepad, and this is a file folder as well. So you can check your files and applications. If you want to upload music into the program, you can do that here by switching to your different program types. All right, so I think that is about all for this video. And feel free, if I went too fast, feel free to pause it at any time, or feel free to watch the video again. And I think that about does it for this video. One thing I do want to tell you, if you're having a hard time processing things, if things start, you know, slowing down, click this low latency mode here. This is a bonus tip. And then more so than that, it will be a great idea for you to also use the CPU monitoring, and that is around here somewhere. Here. So we can go to some custom features, and we can actually monitor the CPU usage here by clicking this custom button there. And you see it has those performance meters there. All right, well, we are done, and we'll see you in the next videos. We'll get you out of here quick. We're gonna get you through this quick, and we'll get you running quick. It's your boy 3D, baby, at Contour Sound Studios. You're not alone. Like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace. We'll see you soon.